Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2013 63 plate Hyundai ix35. Now this is a fantastic car boasting a superb service history, condition wise a lovely thing, and specification as well very impressive. So coming through to the front bumper, we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got lower fog lamps, we're riding on these 5 twin spoke alloy wheels. Tyres are all lovely, very nice and chunky. So as we're doing the video, riding on 18-inch alloys, riding on Michelins. Looking then, we've got the privacy glass to the rear, we've got roof bars, we've got an opening panoramic glass roof, and internally a full ebony black part perforated leather. So very nice indeed. Leather multifunction steering wheel, and you can control most things off of there. So we'll just jump inside. We've got the original tailored floor mats. Starting the car is a push button start. Vehicle is supplied with both keys as well. Leather multifunction steering wheel with our cruise control, voice command, Bluetooth phone, all your volume and media controls. We've got 4 electric windows, we've got the child lock, we've got park folding mirrors, hill descent, traction control, 4-wheel drive lock as well, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and as we're doing the video today, vehicle has only covered 88,449 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Now again, going through to spec, so we've got satellite navigation. When you click through to radio, we've got our FM radio there, media, dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver, heated front seats, AUX, USB, 2 12-volt power outlets, and then we've got our gear selector there as well. So when you flick it into reverse, reversing camera engages. We've got lots and lots of service history, lots of MOTs and paperwork with this vehicle. Central armrest with quite a bit of storage in there. 2 individual sunroofs for rear passengers and front. Electric operated Pan-Am roof. And then jumping through to the back then, vehicle is also supplied with mud flaps all round. We've got rear parking sensors, reversing camera, detachable tow bar with electrics, and then looking into the boot, you get quite a bit of luggage space in these vehicles. Split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Genuine ix35 loading divider. We've got our space saver spare wheel with the jack and all the kit to change it. And then again, bodywork wise, alloys, mud flaps, chrome detailing, all very nice. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, give us a call on 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.